This is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 8.1 problem number 5. Let us see the question. This is the question here given. Prove that a line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Okay, using converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have to prove this. Okay, so once again I will read the question. Prove that a line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. Suppose if you take a triangle, here is the midpoints. Okay, if you join these two midpoints, okay, so this line is parallel to this side. We have to prove that. Okay, for example, consider it is A, B, C. Okay, if you join these 2 points, okay, this line is parallel to this side. Okay, if you join these 2 points and this line is parallel to this AC side. Okay, so we have to prove that by using converse theorem of the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, right, let us see the solution. Given triangle ABC, yes, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, right? Yes, we know that already. D and E is the midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, next, what we have to prove? We have to prove DE is parallel to BC. Okay, suppose this is a triangle and ABC is a triangle and vertex, and this is two midpoints. D, E are the midpoints here. Okay, so we have to prove this is parallel to this BC. It means DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove here. Okay, next, just now I have drawn the diagram. See, since D is the midpoint of AB, we have AD is equal to DB, right? If D is the midpoint, so AD is equals to DB. Okay, right. So if you bring this DB to the LHS side, it becomes AD by DB is equals to 1, isn't it? DB comes to denominator to AD. Okay, so here 1 remains. Okay, if you take the cross multiplication, you will get the again AD equals to DB only. Got it? Yes, right. So it becomes now AD by DB is equals to 1, right? So also E is the midpoint of AC. Okay, so for that we have AE is equals to see here EC, right? Okay, so if E is the midpoint, and we can write AE is equals to EC. Okay, right? So same procedure, if you bring this EC into denominator to the AE by EC, it becomes 1 is the remains as it is there. Okay, so if you compare the equation 1 and 2, the previous one consider equation 1, now it is equation 2. So equation 1 and 2, both the RHS parts are same. Okay, so we can equal the LHS parts. That we can write AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is nothing but a converse theorem of the basic proportionality theorem, because see, we have this statement: if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. Okay, this is the statement. Suppose if you take a triangle ABC and this is a DE is a line segment. If this DE makes these two sides in the same ratio, okay, if DE line breaks these two sides in the same ratio, then this DE is parallel to BC. This is the basic proportionality theorem. From that theorem, if it breaks, here we got AD by DB equals to AE by EC. So what we can say simply, we can say DE is parallel to BC by basic proportionality theorem. Okay, right? We have to prove this only. Yeah, we got that. Hence, theorem is proved here. Okay, got it? I hope you understood. Once again, I'm giving the complete solution here. Yeah, you can observe here the solution one by one clearly. Right now. Okay, I hope you understood this solution. Thank you.